Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're doing Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House. Take a listen. Then the chorus. Alright guys, so this does have melody in the right hand. It's a really neat piano solo arrangement. It's not a beginner lesson, so if you're a beginner you need to do some beginner lessons. I have lots of those on WebPianoTeacher.com. You can check it out. But if you are an intermediate student, you could jump right into this and start playing it. And we are going to do melody in the right hand, so it's going to be a really cool piano solo arrangement you can play for your friends or your family or just to impress someone. That's always fun to do. So here we go. Let's get started with it. Here's the intro we have, and this is the next hired request on the list, so I'm churning those out. At least one lesson series a day, sometimes 2 or 3, but at least one a day we're going to be dedicated to. All right, and you can download the sheet for this. If you're a member on the site, you can either use your sheet credits or you can purchase it directly according to your membership level. But we'll start with the right hand on B flat, E flat, and F. This is the intro, okay? Left hand's on an E flat octave, all right? And so on the rhythm, bum, bum, bum. So we play this, and then we're going to add a B flat. Okay, so it's dun, dun, dun. And there's a lot of vamping in this, which means your left hand will be on an octave, and it's just going to kind of be filling in the gaps. See that I have a left hand E flat written, so we have the octave there, but I'm going to kind of play my thumb in the gaps as we vamp that, okay? If you're not used to that, you can just start with doing the basics. Just play exactly what's written there, and then later on you can try to start doing some of that vamping. But we have B flat, E flat, F, and then we add that B flat on top, and then we're back to the way it was. So it's bum, bum, bum. The next measure is exactly the same. So we have both measures together. Bum, 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 bum. Now, I'm going to change it up a little bit. We're going to have B flat, D flat, F in the right hand, like this. 1, 2, 3. Left hand on an E flat octave still. So it's an E flat pedal all the way through, a pedal note. And we're going to add that B flat on top again, and then go back to just the F. So it's bum, bum, bum. Same rhythm as the other measures. Bum, bum, bum. And right here we do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a little bit different. Play the right hand first with the B flat, D flat, F. Then the left, E flat. And then we add an A flat on the top. That makes it a B flat minor 7. This is the B flat part, B flat minor part. B flat, D flat, F. Adding an A flat is adding a 7th. 2, 3. And we have one more E flat there that you can't see that we'll show on part 2. But so let's do the whole little section here. 1, 2, 3, 4 measures. And go. 1. 2, 3, 4. Then it's actually going to repeat. You do it again. There's a little bass part right there that we'll add in. On the sheet, you'll see sometimes some little notes written like that I put in. Those are kind of optional things to do. That bass line is in the arrangement I'm going off of, but it's not something you absolutely have to do. And I don't want you to ever not play the song just because of one little part that's too hard. So I'll provide options in this for you to leave some stuff out if you need kind of an easier arrangement for it. But you can also put them in if you're more advanced or you want a little challenge. You can do those. So anytime I have little notes like that, and they're all throughout this arrangement. It's optional, so you can put it in if you want to. Guys, that's the part 1. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on WebPianoTeacher.com.